back, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and let's go over page 85 of your 4th grade hybrid math workbook. What we're going to do right now is we're just going to go ahead and add these numbers together using models and also using the standard algorithm, okay? So let's go ahead and let's take a look at numbers 1 and a few samples together. So number 1 is 153 plus 252. So I've got a little chart here, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones, or ones, tens, hundred, thousands. So I have 1 in the hundreds place, I've got 5 in the tens place, and then I've got 3 in the ones place. Now I'm going to add 252. So I've got 2 in the hundreds place, I've got 5 in the tens place, and then I've got 2 more in the ones place. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to go ahead and add, okay? So here I've got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got 10 ones. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I've got 10 tens. I'm going to move these tens over here because 10 tens make 100. I'm going to move that over there. Okay, and I'm going to take that 1 and move it there. So I'm going to stay with the 0 here. So now here I have 1, 2, 3. I've got 4 there. So my answer is going to be 405. Now let's go ahead and let's do that in the standard algorithm. So here I have 153 plus 252. Let's start with the ones place. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 tens plus 5 tens. That's 10 tens. Okay? And then I got 2, 1, and 1 in the hundreds place, so that's going to be 4. And the answer is 405. Now let's take a look at the next one. The next one is 638 plus 519. So I've got 600s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600s. I've got 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, and I've got 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to add it to 519. I've got 500s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 1 10. And I've got 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's go ahead and remember, boys and girls, we can't have more than 10 in one spot. So if we do, we got to move it over, okay? So let's take a look. So here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is right there. This one, I'm going to move it over there. Now, how many do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7 there. How many tens do I have? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 tens. How many hundreds do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I can remember, I can't have more than 10 in one spot. So I'm going to go ahead and move these 10 over here. And now I've got 1 left over. And then this number is going to be 1. So the answer to number 16 is going to be 1,157. So now let's go ahead and let's do it in the standard algorithm, okay? So here I've got 638 plus 519. 8 plus 9, that's 17. 1 goes in the tens place. 7 goes in the ones place. Then I've got 3, 4. I've got 5 tens. And then I've got 6 and 5 hundreds, so that's going to be 11 hundreds. So that's going to be 1,157. Now let's take a look at number 18 that we have here. There I've got 448 plus 219. So let's go ahead and do 448 first. Hundreds place, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. The tens place, I've got 4 tens. The ones place, I've got 8 ones. And now let's go ahead and take a look at 219. 219, I have 2 hundreds. I've got 1 10. And I've got 9 ones. Okay? Now let's go ahead and let's add it all up together. So here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That 10 going to have to move that 10 over here. That 10 goes there. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7 ones. Now let's take a look and see how many 10s I have. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 10s there. How many hundreds do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 hundreds there, and the answer is 667. Let's go ahead and do this one in the standard algorithm. 448 plus 219. 8 plus 9, that's 17. Okay, I'm going to put that 10 over here and keep the 1 there. 4 plus 1 plus 1. Now we're in the hundreds place. Here I've got 4, 5, I've got 6 tens, 6 tens. And then here we're in the hundreds place now. So now we've got 4 plus 2. That's going to be 6 hundreds. And the answer is going to be 667. Let's go ahead and let's do one final one, okay? Let's go ahead and do this one. That's 3,294 plus 2,928. So here I've got 3 in the thousands place. 1, 2, 3. I've got 2 in the hundreds place. 1, 2. I've got 9 in the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I have 4 in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's take a look at the next one. That number says 2,928. I've got 2 in the thousands place. I've got 9 in the hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got 2 in the tens place. 1, 2. Pardon me. And I've got 8 in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's go ahead and let's solve it now. So remember, I can't have more than 10 in each spot. So let's start with the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, going to move that 10 over here. Okay, so how many do I have here? I have 2 left, 2 ones. Now let's take a look at the tens place. Here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, I've got 10. Okay, so I've got 10 tens. Now that's going to become 100. How many tens do I have left? 1, 2. I'll put that there. Got 2 tens. Now let's take a look at the hundreds place. Here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to move over that 10. 10 hundreds over there. 10 hundreds is 1,000. How many hundreds do I have left? 1, 2. That's 200 there. How many thousands do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got 6,000, so the answer is going to be 6,222. Now let's go ahead and let's do it in the standard algorithm. So I have 3,294 plus 2,928. Let's look at the ones place first. 8 plus 4, that's 12 ones. I'm going to put 1 10 there, 2 ones there. 9 plus 2 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. I've got 12 tens. I'm going to put 100 there, and I'm going to keep 2 tens there. Now I've got 9 plus 2 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. Now I've got 12 hundreds. I'm going to put 1,000 there, and keep 200 there. And now let's add the thousands column. 3, 5, 6. I've got 6,000 there. The answer is 6,222. So boys and girls, go ahead and you're going to work on sets 1, 2, 3, and 4 on your own and use the models. It's going to help you out, which is going to do you really, really great wonders when you start doing the standard algorithm. So with that said, we'll see you at the next video.